Hello everyone and welcome to my video. Today, I will introduce to you a brand new product. First, please check my full review in the description below of this video.
Alright, so I just want to show you how quick and easily you can build out your own Amazon affiliate review site using the AffiliEngine AI software. So I just set up a demo site here. You can see it's just a completely blank site that I'm going to go ahead and build out using the software. So when you first use the software, all you need to do is click on Create My Site. We have a ton of built-in niches here, so you can choose any of those if you would like, or you can enter your own custom niche as well. So you could see from my demo, I'm going to do it on office desks. So I'm just going to put standing desks as my niche, hit continue, and then name my site. So I'm going to name the site Best Standing Desks, and then I just create the site. So that'll create the site for me. From here, we can import Amazon products that we want to start adding to our site. So in most cases, to do this, you would need the Amazon API. We actually have a built-in API that's going to allow you to just instantly download those. So again, I just type in standing desk, I hit search, and it's going to pull back those Amazon products. So you can see now we have a list of products. It's going to bring back 10 at a time. And if you want to add those and have a review written of those products, all you need to do is click import, and it'll import all of that data using the Amazon API. So it's completely within their policy. So I'm just going to add a couple here. So I just import those, and it essentially down here, it'll show you which ones have been imported. From there, we now have our products imported. All I need to do is simply click generate review, and the software is going to do everything. So again, it's as simple as naming your site, importing your products, and clicking generate review. So this is going to go out, use ChatGPT to completely write your review. We also have it integrated with Koala if you prefer to use that one. That one does require an account with them. But again, ChatGPT works fine. You can see the review has been written. Everything is here. So all I need to do is click publish to WordPress. It's going to put it on my site and it's ready to go. So if I jump over to my site now, I am just going to refresh it, and you can see the first one has been added. So if I click on this, you'll see what the software all does. So it's going to add your featured image, and then what it's going to do is write the entire review. So I have a title here, the standing desk review, a stable, quiet, electric desk that fits most office homes. It's going to automatically create this Amazon buy box here. It brought in the product image, brought in the overall rating from Amazon, and then this check price on Amazon is actually automatically embedded with your affiliate links. You just put your Amazon ID in the settings and it'll create these automatically. So create this buy box. You create a table of contents right here, and then it has the whole review. So it's going to go ahead, write the review. It's going to add more images. You can see these images are automatically added. Those are the Amazon product images that it pulled in from the listing. We also have another affiliate link here. It's got the key features, another image it brought in, and then an in-depth review. So for this one, it went performance, another image, quality, ease of use, and again, here's another affiliate link it put in. It compared it to some, and then if I come down here, it's also going to add in a pros and cons. You can see these are all formatted for me nicely as well. And then the rest of the review. So after the final verdict, it's going to put in another Amazon buy box right here. So again, the title, the image, the rating, and check price on Amazon. If I click on that, that has my affiliate link in it. It's going to take me to that product in a new window. So again, that's as easy as it gets for creating Amazon review sites. So I can come back in here and I can add more reviews. I can do another search for office desks or any other kind of office products. And then we also have a bulk generate. So after you import a bunch of products, if you want to just have all the reviews written, you can do that. So I could have imported all 10 of those desks, done a bulk import, and it would have added all of those. So again, every part of the process completely done for you with the plugin. Takes literally a matter of minutes. All you do is search what kind of products you want, import them, generate a review, and boom, it's on your site, completely ready to go, completely ready to start earning you commissions. So that is how easy the software is, how easy it is to use. Again, no Amazon API needed. We have that built into the software, so it's ready to go right out of the box.